memories, just all the Polish folk dancing, growing up for 15, 20 years, doing all that. All the soccer games, where she was more interested in snack time than the game. That's all right. But I mean, she's got a great heart. I mean, who else could ask me, guess what I did today? And I'm like, I don't know, what did you do? She goes, well, I held a kid's heart in my hand, and any brain surgeries or all the kids that she's helped. So, I mean, she's got a great heart. And so two people who are so nice, it's a can't miss, and I wish you the best. And I know it's going to be great. So, anyway, I'd just like to say, raise your glasses and then Stola. It's a Polish tradition. Oh.